wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best waterproof backpacks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The idrybag Outdoor Sports is made with a hard-wearing 500 denier fabric. It comes in 4 colors: black, yellow, blue and gray, which means you can keep your possessions safe and secure while also expressing your personal style. It includes a bonus 2-liter dry bag and an IP68 waterproof rating. However, the material is a bit slippery. At number 9, snow and rain are no match for the Sea-to Summit Rapid. This carryall is made with a nylon fabric that's not only waterproof, but sturdy enough for rugged adventures of all kinds. It features tough aluminum alloy buckles. It comes with a white interior so you can see the contents and a removable waist strap, but it is on the expensive end of the spectrum. Coming in at number 8 on our list, with a roll-top closure that keeps moisture out, the sealline boundary pack will ensure your supplies remain dry whether you're hiking through rain-soaked forests or kayaking your favorite rapids. It's a simple and reliable solution that stands up well to wear and tear. It's equipped with polyurethane-coated shoulder straps and welded seams. However, there are no interior pockets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for waterproof backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, what sets the outxe totally sealed apart from the competition is its interior Ziploc lining, which provides an extra layer of protection against leaks. Impressively, it can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius. It's made from BPA-free materials with detachable shoulder straps, but it doesn't have a roll-top closure. Moving up our list to number 6, the vitchelo DB016 has a 30-liter capacity and 2 adjustable chest straps to ensure your pack doesn't shift during intense activities like kayaking or river trekking. It's constructed from tear-resistant vinyl tarpaulin. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and is tested for effectiveness. However, it emits a slight chemical odor. Halfway up our list at number 5. Wade confidently into water and rain with the Phantom Aquatics Walrus 25, a 100% waterproof pack with 2-way seals for durability. Nighttime travel is safer too thanks to reflective patches located on the straps. It features webbing for gear attachment, a roll top plus Velcro for security, but it punctures rather easily. At number 4, the Chaos Ready Outdoor features a 22-liter main compartment, 2 mesh side pockets for bottles and snacks, and a pouch on the front. It's made from a durable PVC fabric and has reinforced seams, so you don't have to worry about any surprise splits. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and floats if dropped in water. However, its waterproofing can wear off over time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, in addition to a spacious front pocket, the dependable Oak Creek Canyon Falls has bungee cord netting to provide extra hanging storage space for supplies like quick draws and carabiners. Its shoulder straps are adjustable. It features a roll buckle that doubles as a handle and a neoprene-lined zipper. It's 18 inches long when closed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for waterproof backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, hiking, biking or camping, the 30-liter Relentless Recreation Splashproof has got you covered with a convenient Velcro closure, a water-repellent fabric and 2 mesh bottle holders. Use the transparent outer pocket for storing items like your ID card or fishing license. It comes with a satisfaction guarantee and you can carry it backpack style or by the handle. It's got double stitching throughout. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Earthpack Heavy Duty has padding on the straps and along the back to keep you feeling comfortable during those long days on the trail. It also has a buckle at the sternum that helps distribute the weight of your load evenly to prevent strain. This one's appropriate for boating and includes a roomy interior pocket along with a bonus waterproof phone case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for waterproof backpacks, or simply click beneath this video.